We're Empire Fighting Champs and we do non-contact boxing across schools in South Wales. Reason being is we're trying to increase confidence, increase attendance to school, motivation and reduce anxiety and mental health issues with young people.
We've just been to see Empire Fighting Champs in West Monmouthshire School, and it's been really great to see the work that they're doing with young pupils here. Non-contact boxing to help the children to understand physical fitness, discipline, coordination, and it was clear to me from the young people who were taking part that they're benefiting from this scheme, and I'm very pleased that we're able to support it.